First things first, always ensure you're shopping on a secure website. Look for HTTPS at the beginning of the website address and a padlock icon in your browser's address bar. This encryption protects your data. When you're ready to check out, select the debit card or credit debit card option. You'll then be prompted to enter your card details. Enter your 16-digit debit card number, which is usually found on the front of your card. Next, input the expiry date, typically shown as month and year. Crucially, locate your card verification value, or CVV, which is a 3 or 4-digit security code usually on the back of your card near the signature strip. Never share this code with anyone over the phone or email. After entering your details, you might be redirected to a verification page. This is often a 3D secure authentication called Verified by Visa or MasterCard Secure Code, which adds an extra layer of security. You'll likely be asked to enter a password you've set up with your bank or a one-time password, an OTP, sent to your registered mobile number or email. Always enter this carefully and never share it. Once verified, click Pay Now or Complete Order. You'll receive an order confirmation on screen and usually via email, confirming your purchase. Finally, always log out of your account on any shared or public computer. Monitor your bank statements regularly for any unauthorized transactions and report them immediately to your bank. Stay safe and happy shopping.